Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another live day trading episode with your boy Money Spence. In today's live day trading episode, I'm going to show you how to make $200 within 15 minutes utilizing the ORB strategy. Without further ado, let's take a deep dive into this morning's episode. We're going to cover levels for our options traders first, and then we'll cover levels for our futures traders. It's a morning game plan we usually follow every single morning. All right, family. So for the Qs, we closed yesterday at $682.12. However, we're down in pre-market. We're currently trading at $677.50 at the moment. Now, if you look at our chart, we have a key support level for the Qs at $673.17. We're currently trading above VWAP. VWAP, it's priced at $676.39. Anytime we're trading above VWAP, the market for that particular, ticker, it's bullish. So we're looking for moves towards the upside. And if we can hold VWAP, we have a key resistance level at $682.02. Next up on our list, it's SPY. So for SPY, we're also trading above VWAP as well. SPY, it closed at $739.09, and in pre-market, we're trading at $740. So SPY, it's a little bullish right now, but it's not a real strong bullish trend. So we have a key support level at $737.11. Our pivot point is priced at $739.05, and our first level of resistance that we can target for our options traders is $741.95. And let me check out yesterday's biggest trades that took place in the options market. Let me check that out. 1 second. All right, so yesterday, the hedge funds, they loaded up on puts massively. So we already pulled back pretty aggressively in pre-market. We may possibly have a bounce when the market opens up. So make sure you all keep that in mind. And let me check out the Nasdaq option flow as well. Yeah, so the Nasdaq option flow, they also purchased a lot of puts yesterday as well. So let me save this information. I usually save this information so I can go back and analyze the data after the market, closed on a daily basis. And let me also take a picture of the previous day, EMA chart. So this was the previous day EMA chart. Let me take a picture of that really quick so I can go back and study the movement. All right, so we're going to save the EMA chart, and the market's about to open in approximately 4 minutes. Make sure you have your risk management in place, and make sure you're ready to make $200 with your boy, your host, Money Spence. We're about to have a phenomenal trading day, family. We're about to have a phenomenal trading day. All right, so we have the futures ticker on our chart. So for futures, we have a key level, support level at $27,900. If we continue to hold that level, we may see a strong bounce back towards the upside. So we have a key resistance level at $28,057.51. That's going to be our 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level. So I'm going to set up an alert in that area just in case we break above it. I'm going to set up an alert around $28,050.78. That's going to be our key resistance zone. And when we're day trading, it's going to be at a high speed. So make sure you're ready for these fast gains. And I'm also going to set up an alert below our key support level. We have a key support level at $27,900. That's going to be a key support level for us. I want to see if we're going to hold that level. So I'll also set up an alert below that level as well. 27,900. And let me check out our technical analysis software really quick. Let me see. We need to drop below 673.50. Let me set up an alert for the Qs at 673.50. $673.50, and we'll also set up one above. Let's set up one above 680. That's going to be a key level for us. So right now I'm just setting up alerts so I can receive a notification when the price starts moving back towards the upside. 678.50. And good morning, everyone who just joined the Money Spence Day Trading Show. We have about one more minute before the market opens. And let's go, family. It's about to be showtime. All right, it's about to be showtime. All right, so we have, hey, good morning, Ghost Mode. Let's go, family. It's about to be showtime. Let's go. So I am on the wrong. So I was on the wrong, family. Sorry about that. My apologies. So we have a key resistance level at 28,000, and we have a key support level at 27,900 bucks. We have our Fibonacci retracement level up here, 23.6% level, and we have a key Fibonacci retracement level down here, the 0.0% price zone. So let's see if our price is going to hold $27,900 when the market opens up in 2 minutes. Let's go, family. It's showtime. Let's get it. So we're currently trading below VWAP. We have VWAP priced at $27,990. Let's see if we can get back above $28,000. Let's go, family. It's about to be showtime. Let's get it. It's about to be showtime. All right, and let me adjust my time frame. All right, so we're good in that area. We're good. All right, so we're pulling back a little tad bit on the open. It's not a major pullback. We're pulling back a little tad bit. So let's be very cautious because we may have a bounce on the open. We're starting to pull back a little tad bit. We're bullish on the 5, 15, and 30-minute time frame. Based on my technical analysis software, we're bullish at the moment. Let's see if we can break back above this first 1 minute high. Let's see if we can break back above that level. We're still pulling back on the open. We're approaching that $27,900 price zone. And let's go back. Let's go to my other platform so you can process my trade in real time. All right, family. So we're pulling back on the open. We have the first 5-minute candle of the day. It's bearish. We have a key support zone down here at $27,849. Let's see if we're going to start bouncing. We need to trend back above these EMAs. We have a key EMA at $27,986. I'm going to set up an alert right above that level, just in case we break back above it. All right, so we're still pulling back. We're still pulling back. All right, so we just test that key level out, family. All right, so we're pulling back. Your boy Money Spence is trying his best to be patient. All right. All right.
Order filled.
Let me take a quick short right here in this price zone. It's a risky play though, family. Keep that in mind. Risky play. I'll have my stop loss up here. I'm risking about 88 bucks on this trade.
Order filled.
All right, let's go. Come on. Don't bounce on us. All right, so we're bouncing. I'm down on my position. We're bouncing at the moment. All right, I have my stop loss in place just in case we do break back above that level. I'm down about 90 bucks at the moment. The bulls there stepping in. All right, so I'm down 190, $165 at the moment.
Order filled.
All right, let me go long right here. Risky trade. That's going to be crazy if it comes back down. So I'm only going to start off with one contract in this area. I probably should have gave my short trade a little bit more wiggle room. All right, so I'm down at the moment. Down $166.55. Our first trade did not work out in our favor. But we can always recover, family. Remember that. We can always recover. Stop loss is down here. I'm risking about 90 bucks on this trade. And based on what I'm seeing right now, I probably should have, possibly kept my initial short position, because look at that, family. We're starting to come back down. But I have my stop loss in place. Doing my best not to panic even though I'm down. All right, so we didn't get that bounce that I was anticipating at 9:33 a.m. All right, so we're bearish on the 1 minute time frame. This trade, it's not working out in my favor. We're still pulling back on the open. So my initial short position, it would have worked out if I would have stayed in there a little longer. All right.
Order filled.
The bulls, they're stepping in. I just added to my position, holding 2 contracts at the moment. Hopefully this thing doesn't fake us out. I'll add 3 more if we break above my average cost. All right, so I'm green on the play. Let's go.
Order
All right, I'm
filled.
holding 5 contracts right now. Come on. Don't fake us out right here. Don't fake us out. The bulls, they stepped in right here at 9:35 a.m. So I'm down about 200 and some change in this position right now. Thought we were about to get that reversal. Down 500 and some change. We're approaching the key support zone at $27,839.50. Down 600 and some change. I wish I would have kept that initial short position. I got stopped out though. All right, let's see if the bulls are going to step in this price zone. The bulls, they're stepping in at 9:37 a.m. But we need this 1 minute candle to close bullish. Just because they're stepping in right now, that doesn't mean that we have a strong bullish trend. Starting off the day down a massive amount, family. All right. All right, so we just broke a key level, down 800 and some change on this play. We just broke a key level. Use caution. Let's see how this 1 minute candle is going to open up. Let me go to the 5 minute chart. The structure is still bearish on the 5 minute time frame. This 5 minute candle is going to close in approximately 2 minutes. Down 800 and some change at the moment. Come on, give us that bounce. And today, your boy Money Spence went against the grain. I thought we were going to get that bounce. Down 1,000 at the moment.
Order filled.
All right, so I just lost about 1,100 on that trade. Well, actually 1,328 bucks. But on the flip side, for this account, let's see, for this account so far for this month, I was up about $3,458. I was able to pay myself a nice amount from this account. So we blew this account today, family. Now let's go in our other funded account. So our other funded account, I'm up a nice sizable amount. So let's see if we can recover from that loss. We're still bearish on the 5 minute time frame. Let me go to the 1 minute time frame really quick.
Order filled.
All right, let me test out some longs in this area. All right.
Order filled.
Holding 6 contracts. Come on. And I'll place my stop loss down here. All right, so I'm up a small amount on this trade. All right.
Order
Let me take
filled.
those profits. Let's go.
Order filled.
All right, so I just made $112 on that trade. Let's place our stop loss down here. May possibly get stopped. Damn, I'm down 200 and some change that fast. Trying to see if we can get that bounce. So we found some buyers at 9:40 a.m. We can start implementing the 15-minute ORB strategy in about 4 minutes. All right, so we're starting to pull it back now. A little tad bit. I may stop out on this trade. Man, today I am reading the market incorrectly. down 300 and some change at the moment. $400 and some change. All right,
Order filled.
let's reverse and go short right here. This thing's
Order
pulling back
filled.
too hard. Holding 6 contracts at the moment, down 400 and some change. All right,
Order
let me take
filled.
those profits. Let me
Order
get back in
filled.
right here.
Order filled.
All right, beautiful. Come on, keep going. All right,
Order
take
filled.
some profits right here.
Order
We get
filled.
back in right here, holding 5 contracts short towards the downside. Hopefully this move does not reverse on us. This 15-minute candle is about to close in approximately 2 minutes. Hopefully the downtrend will continue. I'm down about $228. The bears, they are currently in charge. Thinking about adding a little bit more to this position. We're still pulling back. Don't tell me we're about to get that bounce. Let me set up a stop loss right here. The moment your boy Money Spence gets in short, things start going south. Still watching the shorts towards the downside. And this 15-minute candle is about to close in about 1 minute. So the ORB strategy, it's based on the first 15-minute high and the first 15-minute low. The first 15-minute high of this candle, it was at $27,993. I don't know why I went against the grain on the open, family. So it looked like this trade is about to start, working out for me in my favor. Up a nice sizable amount. Let's go. All right.
Order
Let me take those
filled.
profits.
Order
Let me get back
filled.
in right here. All right. So now I'm only down $41.77. And family, man, if you don't learn anything else from me today, try your best not to go against the trend. On the open, I thought we were going to get that bounce, but we were trading below all of our, key EMAs. So I don't know why I was trying to play that bounce. I was looking at a smaller time frame, thinking we were going to start trending back up towards the upside, but now I'm on a higher time frame, the 15-minute time frame, and we're getting full body bearish candles. So that's a good indication for us towards the downside. All right, come on, keep going. There we go. All right, so this short trade, it's working out in our favor. All right,
Order
let me take
filled.
some profits. Let me
Order
get back in
filled.
right here. All right, so now I'm up $167 in this one funded account. Let's see if we can get a little bit more out of this trade. We should be able to. Beautiful. Come on, keep going. Beautiful. Beautiful. All
Order
right.
filled.
Beautiful. All right, family. So your boy Money Spence just made $234.08 for the day so far. Let's go back to the chart so you all can see the mistake that I made in my first funded account. Let's go back to the chart really quick, family. And I'm going to remove all of these, drawings on our chart just so we can get a clear read. Your boy Money Spence, he messed up today. All right, so if we go to the 5-minute time frame, right? Let's go to the 5-minute time frame. This is a good teachable moment for everyone, especially our beginner traders, right? On the open, we had a key resistance level right here. Since we were trading below that level and VWAP, I should have been focusing on a move towards the downside because this first 5-minute bearish candle, we broke below VWAP and we also broke below our VWAP support band that was at, let me see, on the open, I think it was priced at around $27,900. So the moment we started to drop below that level, that should have been my cue to hold on and go short towards the downside. I was looking at the 1 minute time frame, and on the 1 minute time frame, we have a different read. On the 1 minute time frame, we have some small 1 minute bullish candles. And I thought we were about to possibly, bounce in that price zone. So that's why I started to go long towards the upside because we were holding this green, support line. Well, we were trying to hold it. But next thing you know, at 9:36 a.m., we started to trend back down towards the downside. And that's how I got faked out and I lost, a significant amount. But on the flip side, with that, funded account that I blew earlier today, let's go back to that funded account that I, was trading earlier today. So I'm glad you all were still able to see me make the $200 and some change. But okay, so they already removed that funded account from the profile. But from that funded account, I've already taken out I think about 2,000 and some change worth of, payouts. So it doesn't, hurt me too much because I only paid about 150 bucks for that funded account. But we did accomplish our goal today, which was $234.08. So now let me go back to the chat really quick, and I'll also have the chart, running in the background. Let's go back to the chat really quick. G Nice, good morning, my brother. So G Nice said he's up 1,000 on his eval. Let's go, family. Great job. Great job. Sir Chartalot, what's up, family? What's good, family? So the Bulls, they stepped in right here, family. They stepped in right here at 9:48 a.m. Man, I'm thinking about catching this, this reversal possibly, but I don't want to over trade. Yeah, I'm thinking about catching this reverse. We had a strong bullish candle step in at 9:48 a.m. But I'm thinking about just calling it a day, fam, since I did, reach my target. So my initial target was 200 bucks. We made that now our, one funded account, $234.08. And in this account so far for the month, we're up about $5,709.94. So family, man, we're already, having a great month. I think I'm gonna call it a day, family. Today, was a roller coaster. Let's go back to the chart so I can cover that ORB strategy for everyone. The ORB strategy is based off of the first 15-minute high and the first 15-minute, low. So let's mark those levels on our chart really quick so you can have a general understanding of it. The first 15-minute low was priced at $27,728.50. 27,728.50. That's our support. Our resistance was priced at 27,992 bucks. 27,992. That's our resistance level. The ORB strategy is based off of the first 15-minute high and the first 15-minute low. Once we broke below that 15-minute, ORB, you all could have went short right here in this price zone and secured some quick gains. But the best short opportunity, family, it was on the open. It was on the open. We had a beautiful, we had a beautiful 263-point move on the open. I don't know how your boy Money Spence misread that. I usually catch those moves. But hey, it's okay. We accomplished our goal today. And if we go back to our other funded account that I was trading as well, you guys didn't have a chance to see me trade that one, but I was trading that one today, as well. And I was able to make $151.70. I was trading that one before the market opened up. So in our, other funded account, we're up a nice sizable amount in that account, as well. 151.70 and 234.08 today. So that's about that's about 380 bucks for the day. So Fanny, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day, man. I really appreciate everyone for rocking with your boy Money Spence. And the golden nugget for today, try your best not to go against the trend. Today your boy Money Spence went against the trend and it cost me some money. But on the flip side, we still were able to make some money in our other funded accounts. That's why it's important to have multiple funded accounts. You don't want to just trade in one account primarily. But I'm out, family. I really appreciate everyone for rocking with your boy, and we'll be back at it this upcoming Thursday. Everyone have a safe, blessed day, and thank you for rocking with your boy Money Spence. I'm out, family. Peace.